we're from the adult department at the Monticello Public Library, and we are going to show you how to make your do-it-yourself snowy mason jar craft. Now this is for people who have signed up for this craft. You'll receive a bag, and inside that bag are 2 mason jars. You may have a big one and a small one, or you may have 2 small ones. You also have 2 tea lights and 2 decorative items to put on your jars. And then there are string. Also, you should have 2 of those. And then you'll have cups of the Mod Podge and glitter that's in it that you'll use for the jar.
And Epsom salt as well.
And the glitter has Epsom salt that's inside of it. All right, so we are going to show you now how to the process of making your jar.